Hello guys, 10 days ago the Ethereum Aero Glacier upgrade has passed, and just before this upgrade I was testing the profit of my AMD GPUs 570, 8GB and 5700. Now I'll test the profit of my AMD GPUs again. You can see the current prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Bitcoin price is just the same. The Ethereum price is $200 less. So let's see the current profit. For my 5700, the hash rate is 55 megahash at 130 watts. My electricity cost is 12 cents, 2% fees. And the monthly profit is $85. Just before this upgrade, the profit was $93. So now it's $8 less. The difficulty is 11.8. 10 days ago was 11.7, which is about the same as now, and the block reward is also the same, $8 less. This is mainly because of the lower price of the Ethereum, which is below 4,000. The profit of my 578GB 30 megahash at 110 watts, and the monthly profit is $43. 10 days ago it was $47. So the conclusion is the profit is almost the same as before this upgrade. It's a little lower, but that's because of the price of Ethereum. Okay guys, that was my quick update video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more mining videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to support me, please join my channel. Thank you.